nightmare.
Nightmare? I hope it's not that bad. Just take it easy, okay? Just take it easy. Just try and catch some sleep. Take it easy. Just go back to bed.
Hi.
Sorry.
Who's calling me at this time?
What is it? Baby, talk to me, what?
Mama Ebuka! Mama Ebuka! Where's the water now? Morning like this, I need to flood the system with water before I go out. What is that? Greetings to this household. Afam. This one you're here this morning, it's so impromptu. What is going on?
By the royal seal of His Royal Majesty, King Akacho for the second of Amekulo Kingdom. Oh no, your presence is highly needed in the palace immediately.
Okay. You can go, eh? When I finish what I'm doing, I'll come.
Oh no, that means you don't know me too well. Oh no. Okay, if we live here without you, it's going to be something else. Oh no, you know me too well. I'm the chief royal guard. Chief, like once you hear that chief, it means I control other guards, they are under me. And anytime I leave the walls of the palace, it means danger lurks around. Please, okay, please. Follow us to the palace immediately, sir.
It's okay. Wait for me, eh? Let me go and change. Then I'll go with you. Come. It's okay.
I know. My son is going to be very living without him. I don't know where I'm going to go. Mother, listen. We are here for you. This is actually a serious blow on our family. But trust me, we'll pull through strong, okay? We are here for you. Okay? Don't cry.
Everybody listen, oh! Listen to this very important message. The Mobi has declared 3 days mourning for our late king, Akajiofo Ezudu II of Amekule Kingdom. And according to tradition, there will be no farming, selling, or buying, and any other activity that will be shifted to the nearest days. He who hears should tell his brother, oh! Everybody listen, oh! Listen to this very important message. The Mobi has declared 3 days mourning for our late king. And according to tradition, there will be no buying, selling, or farming, and every other activities have been shifted to the nearest days. He who hears should tell his brother, oh!
See, let me tell you. The problem with you is that you find it very hard to understand and recognize people's position. As a chief security guard, a royal guard, not just an ordinary guard to a politician, a royal guard, and the chief CSO of this palace, it automatically means I'm a part inheritor in this kingdom. So know that and be very, very clear.
I thought you should have become the new king of this palace. So what is keeping you from being crowned?
It's the elders, so. The elders. They are still at loggerhead on when to crown me. Because I told them I would not like my coronation to be in rainy season. These ones that normally used to be like Ozu. If French should beat me on top of it. Don't worry. I told them to do it during dry season.
Afam. Afam. Afam K. Well, this is good though. So you are a prince.
Yes, a part prince, Pasha prince. By stay, not by birth. I've stayed 10 years in this palace, so automatically I am a prince by stay. Even in foreign land, if you stay there 10 years, you're a citizen. Even your color is black, you'll be a foreign citizen.
Citizen indeed.
So I'm a Pasha prince. See, is there anything that fire killed? I found a mama.
Come and eat me.
Hi. Come on. Huh? Look at this low budget bedding. Huh? Looking like a sanitizer. So slim as if you are early morning chewing stick. Go and look for what to eat and get fat. Because somebody like you will be walking along the express road and Dangote motor will pass. The wave will just lift you. Nonsense. Do you know me? Because I'm here. Don't know my escort is.
My people, as you all know, that these are challenging times for the royal family. Yes. And even the entire people of Imekulu Kingdom.
Oh yes, that's true.
This is because our king, His Royal Majesty, King Hezekiah Akajiofo Ezudu II of Amekulu Kingdom, the man who had great plans for his people, left us the land of our ancestors. I have a feeling that he had the premonition of his demise. This is because the last time we spoke, he said, and I quote, "The circle of life moves us all through hope and despair, through faith and love, until we find our place on the path unwinding." End of quote. Oh, we will surely miss him.
Yes.
May his soul rest in peace with our ancestors.
He said.
I, on behalf of the Council of Elders, welcome Prince James and Prince Ifeanyi to this meeting.
You are welcome.
My sons, the Council of Elders is the custodian of our tradition.
That is correct. Yes, of course.
And according to our tradition, it is time we crowned a new king who will continue from where our late king stopped. And as soon as that is confirmed, then the rituals commences. Good. So in the light of the above, I hereby call on our next king, our crowned prince, Prince Ifeanyi Akajofo.
Your Highness, we are proud of you. DJ, excuse me, please. Ifeanyi, wait. Ifeanyi, what are you doing? Why did you do that? Walking out in the elders and council? Why?
You've just been crowned king after father. And instead for you to give your acceptance speech, you walked out.
Let me just tell you the truth. I do not want to be king.
No, Ifeanyi, something is wrong. I know you as someone who is humble and responsible. Why then acting as if you don't want to be king?
My brother, I still refuse to be king.
No. Do not say such words. You are the next in line after father. It is your responsibility.
And I refuse to take up that responsibility.
You are the head!
Now you listen to me. I'm perfectly comfortable with the position of the CEO of father's companies, okay? And very soon we're signing a big deal with an Italian conglomerate that will further position us as a leading company in Africa. I cannot do that and become king.
Wait. Ifeanyi! No, you have to listen to me.
Yes. No, when we see we're going to draft it. No, I already spoke with the legal advisor, so just draft it and then have a sign of it. Parties involved will have it. Okay, by next week then I'll give you a call. Alright, get your company lawyer informed. Okay then. Alright. Honey?
Are you okay?
This one you're asking me if I'm okay. What's the problem?
That is because no one in his right senses will turn down an opportunity of becoming a first-class king. No one.
this is what this is about.
Yes. And why would you take such decision without even letting me know? You obviously do not know how embarrassing it made me feel out there. For crying out loud, this is a very big opportunity.
Opportunity?
Yes. A very big opportunity to take a giant step of our lives. My darling, your father has been preparing you for this great feat. Please do not disappoint him. Don't.
I must not be king.
Then no one else will.
Your Majesty, please, I want you to reconsider me. Please, all I want is a means of livelihood, to fend for my family. Please. Ogude. At times, I wonder the kind of men we have in this community. Must the gods bless us with poor people? Just look at us. Able God. Look at this young man. Just look at from beginning to down. Loyalty, humble. Are you taking him for a fool? Huh? Or just look around you. Look around. Did you see any signpost written help the poor, Nyerando Biamaka, or even a charitable organization? I don't understand what you are doing.
Sorry, I did not go to school, so I don't know what a signpost means.
Is it that the baba do not barb well, or your hair refuses to be cut? Eh? Or is it that you speak, you don't know how to read, or you read, you don't know how to speak? Read!
It's okay, it's okay.
I don't know how to read. I cannot read.
Listen to me. I do not want to make an issue out of this. But I would not like to meet you or your working tools on this property when I come here tomorrow. Huh? There's a reason for that. It's very important. I do not want to meet you here when I come tomorrow. Okay?
You have heard from the horse's mouth. You have heard the horse. The prince just said it all. Move! Don't try us. We are escorts.
So many things surrounding our kingdom. Are the gods asleep or have been on a journey? Okay, now what's it when it's over? Oh, we Brianna and Sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom?
My brother, things are falling apart. The kingship will move from this family if we don't ascend the throne. And father will be so disappointed wherever he is.
James, you're my blood. And I know I can confide in you. What I'm about to tell you now might sound stupid and unreasonable, but I think it's a cogent reason for me to not ascend that throne. I've been having this recurring dream where I see this woman that keeps telling me not to take up the crown.
Why?
I don't know. So something about it being cursed or so.
Being cursed? The crown? Father wore same crown with honor till death. So how is that even possible?
But still, that's not enough reason for me to risk it. You want me to disregard those warnings?
Brother, believe me, this is superstitious, trust me.
The ways of the gods are wise. but you may not understand. Egwo yoko kamu obodo na kunisi ndi obodo. Okay, no somewhere no son.
Who are you? We are not mates. We are not mates.
You are better be very careful. I say be careful. You should go and ask your father questions. Are you hearing me? For you do not know anything about our custom. So take care.
Wadike, you open your mouth to say that.
Yes.
Now, listen to me. Wadike, listen to me. You that know everything. Yes. Be careful. Okay, now.
No! Stop! Something that you first.
Stop! Oh no! Let me talk to him.
He's always talking as if he knows something. Sit down. What do you know? I said sit down. Sit down. You sit down. You sit down. What is it?
You had or no? Huh? You are acting like Ini Edo Emehegia. Emelegu Naba.
Your behavior, please be careful. You are all aware that our kingdom is presently sitting on the keg of gunpowder. Are you not? If we, the elders, the custodian of our culture, cannot do anything about it, if we do not stop it, then things will fall apart. You understand me? Now, in the history of this kingdom, it is unheard of that a crowned prince rejected the kingship. Never.
Oh no. He thinks that is bigger than the crown. Prince Ifani to walk out on us is greatest insult.
It were better he goes, because if we had tried stopping him, it would have been worse.
My friend, shut up! Shut your mouth up and let real men talk!
You again?
Keep quiet!
I'm warning you!
I said stop!
This man!
You stop! Stop!
Okay, don't worry.
Block it!
Oga, off your engine. Off the engine.
Hello, what's up? I'm here to see Princess Victoria. My name is Jerry.
So, who are you?
My name is Jerry. Yes, I'm here to see Princess Victoria. Is she inside?
Oga, you see this your car, huh? As the face front here. Turn and make him face where that back dey. Then make the back face me for where I dey. Drive and move.
What are you saying?
Huh?
Are you okay? Who the hell are you? I said I'm here to see Princess Victoria asking me to go back. Are you stupid?
See, Oga, I don't just understand you. We don't allow common strangers that are no royalty inside this compound. For the records, we are money. In fact, we the mourn. Person die for us. Oh, madam, the rice has finished. We don't have rice. We don't have beans to give to people that are hungry. Go and look for somewhere else. And it's too bad that anywhere that you hear that people are mourning their lost one, you will be coming there to eat rice.
Shut up. I'm stupid.
What, Mariam?
Huh? Do I look like a pauper or you beggar in your eyes? I said I'm here to see Princess Victoria. You're telling me nonsense. It's obvious you're a newcomer in this palace. Everybody knows me here.
Wait.
Don't you know me?
You see the problem. You see where I'm having problem with you. Everybody knows you. And who are you? No, who are you? Do you think I don't know my princess? My princess cannot be dating a dog. For the fact you have this chain around your neck, you're a dog. Eh? See, if you don't know me, it's your problem. I have been here. Just that I traveled abroad for my masters to go and study chief guard. Just coming back, I don't know people like...
Are you a clown? But today I promise you, you will lose your job. You will lose your job.
you will lose your job. Agana.
What is Bonkom? Shenanigan. This Bofu.
It will jump what? It will Punani.
Hello, Princess. Princess, I'm outside the gate. Can you imagine? One fat elephant, he doesn't want me to come inside the palace. I don't know. All right. I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm still standing here. Okay. Okay. You will lose your job.
Me?
Bet me, you will lose your job.
Oh, guy, not you lose the... Now you go lose job. No, don't. We know. Because we hear this thing, now upcoming Yahoo be this. We know them. We know upcoming Yahoo go over there. We see them. Move this car.
I am sorry for you. I am sorry for you.
Move this car. Okay. Close this gate for me. On your way.
Why? Come on. Are you
close the gate.
Are you mad?
Okay, what
are you doing?
Damn you.
Guys! Are you the one that insulted my fiancé? Hey, you, come here. Who is that from? Who amongst you insulted my fiancé outside?
Come on. Your fiancé? Somebody insulted your fiancé.
You slapped me.
I will do that. In fact, I will slap more than the slapper.
But I didn't insult anybody.
Shut up! So you want to try it? Something that is very, very obvious. Huh? You want to insult someone's fiancé, and you are trying to deny it even when you know that your family has poisonous mouth. My princess. Please, I'm apologizing on behalf of me and my family of God. Forgive him. Where is your fiancé?
He's still standing outside there. This moron, turn him back. I will deal with you. Please, Afam, go and open the gate for him. He's already pissed.
You slapped me. Shut up. Can't you pretend at once? Huh? Go and open the gate.
Okay, now what's it when it's over? Oh, we Brianna na sonso. Which way forward for our kingdom? Tell me which way forward for our kingdom.
Fool, animal, idiots, nitwits. Nitwits! Sir. How dare you? Huh? How dare you deny me access into my in-laws' house? Who the hell are you?
I did real hell. No reason by matter like that. See, that time you saw me on the gate, it's not actually me. I was thinking a whole lot of things. My family is my father that is supposed to die, but my mother. No. Somebody was supposed to die in my family, but the person did not die. Then I was thinking, please forgive me. I will never try it again. No. I will never try it. Okay, Chichi.
Listen to me. Listen really good. I will only forgive you because we are men, and probably this is where you fit from. The next time you will try this nonsense, the next time you put up this attitude again, consider yourself fired. Am I understood?
Very, very well. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what you do, but they're not going to catch you for this life. Anything, whether I rob they do, you go do.
Hey. What did you just say?
What? Okay, you can even use me as a spy, so that if Princess bring in another man in this house, I will tell you. You can be working hand in hand as men.
Who brought this fool in this palace?
Who brought this fool in this palace? Huh? Victoria!
My love, I apologize for not coming out earlier to receive you. It's really a trying time for my family.
Yeah, I understand, my love. You see, I know the stress, I know everything. You see, when I heard the news about the death of His Majesty, I immediately flew down from the state down to this country just to see you.
Thank Thank you so much.
Yes, you see, everything, and I just want you to be fine and happy.
Okay.
Everyone is inside. Meetings upon meetings. Prince Ifeanyi turned down his crown. That's the latest gist.
Really? Why? I thought he was really prepared for it. Why the sudden change of mind?
I don't know. He wouldn't say. He only said the family business is about to take a lead in Africa. All those stories, honey. You should talk to him.
Oh, Ifeanyi. Okay. No problem about that, okay? The paramount thing here is that you're fine. And you're still beautiful. I do not want you to stress yourself over anything. That's why I'm here for you. Alright?
I wish I can tell you I'm fine, but...
Come on. Come here. My love. You're fine. I'll be strong from you, okay? And I love you.
I love you too.
You love me too, right? Give it to me. Yeah. That's my princess. Alright. Oh, don't stress yourself, okay? Let me help you with this. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
I don't know why he changed his mind. But do you think he had any problems with my late father?
None that I'm aware of. I mean, his actions are unsettling things. We cannot crown his younger brother a king. It's not done. We need to consult more extensively.
You know, I support your suggestions. You know, when I approached this subject to my late father, when I playfully asked him that I would like to be crowned king, he told me that it's an abomination to crown his second son king, whilst the first son is still very much fine and alive.
He was right. Yes, he was right. Anyway, I will do more consultation because we don't have time again. Time is running out.
Oh no.
Yes, my prince.
When are you sure to come up with answers?
Don't worry. I will send message to you as soon as possible. Just give me a little time.
Afam said he doesn't know his whereabouts. Where have you been all day? And worse, you refuse to take my calls.
But I replied the message. Satisfied?
Yes. I mean, no. I am not. Listen to me, my husband. Your brother James has been lobbying around the crown. You must not maintain your stand and allow the kingmakers make him king over you.
Why are you knocking me about over the throne? You haven't even asked how my day went. What's your obsession with the throne?
Because that is the right thing to do. Listen to me, I am your wife. And you don't expect me to sit down and allow another person take your inheritance. It's not done.
Sandra, look at you. Whoa, Your hair is beautiful. Is it new?
Oh, please, forget about the hair. Let's talk about something very important. What are you saying? Listen, I need you to be focused and ahead of the game for the crown. That is the right thing to do. Please.
There is no game here. I mean, I'm not in competition with anybody.
Then go for the crown. Go for it. It is yours and has always been. Please, baby. Please. Okay?
Sorry for leaving.
What is wrong with this man? He doesn't want to see from my own direction. I can't lose this opportunity. I cannot.
Ebuna tumo akwisi karaka boya na ebuzi n'ogidi yonuwa manonye ebu n'ogidi bukwa pantu n'isi. When troubles comes and trials survive, so man.
Mother.
Yes, James.
You need to talk to Ifeanyi to accept the crown.
I don't know what else to say in this matter. Because each time I raise the subject, he brushes it aside. Maybe you should wear the crown.
Mother, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that you should wear the crown. You're also royalty. I mean, someone has to wear the crown since your brother is refusing it. Yes.
Akwisi karaka boya na ebuzi n'ogidi yonuwa manonye ebu n'ogidi bukwa pantu n'isi. When troubles comes and trials survive, so many pains surrounding.
I am warning you. Be very, very careful with me. You bit more than you can chew. Stop pointing those fingers at me.
And you cannot do me anything. You started this first now.
Keep ranting your mouth. I know you now. You like talking. But one day, I will squeeze up that.
You cannot do me anything. You cannot do anything.
I cannot do you anything,
yes.
right?
You cannot do
I cannot do you anything.
You cannot do anything.
You will receive it now. It's me you're insulting.
You cannot do anything.
It's me you're insulting. It's me you're
Hey! I saw hands going up and down. What were you using it for?
Greetings.
For who? Me? You are greeting me? Tell me what is good about the afternoon. Open your mouth and tell me what is actually good about this afternoon. So it has actually been both of you disturbing the entire kingdom. Huh? Nobody will sleep in this kingdom.
No.
I will be at the palace. I will be hearing voices. I cannot even have my afternoon sleep. What is wrong with both of you?
We were just playing. She's my friend.
What are you saying? You're doing well. You're playing.
Yes.
You're players. Play. Play. Akwage, you can't check Kagranoto here. It's off, ma. You think I don't have eyes? From there, right in my very presence, I saw both of you. Trying to tear each other apart. And you say you.
No. We're just playing. Yes.
It's okay. I'm giving you two options. Two. The first one is very, very simple. Second one is the hardest one. First one is either you start fighting before me now, or second option, I will take both of you down to the palace and you receive your full load. The subscription will be very, very full.
Hey.
Which one are you taking?
You see what you've caused.
Hey! Oh yeah, if I just count it, you start.
So.
1.
I don't like fighting, but you want me to.
2.
That's good for me.
3. Gang. Orejele.
Orejele, first attacker. Go!
You're dodging it.
Don't dodge blow. Go for the leg. Go for the leg. Give the breast. I said give the breast.
Hey!
Hey, no, I don't like that place you are carrying.
Don't fuck this shit. He doesn't like it. Stop it.
I like it. You can go there. Carry on there again. Raise it. Are you the one commanding the fight? Raise the leg. Do as if you are bringing the 2 legs towards this side. Turn the 2 legs towards this side. Go!
And where have you been?
Are you okay? No, tell me, are you sick? Huh? Are you on cheap drugs? Does that mean that madness runs in your family? How dare you, ordinary guard? Ordinary guard, you are asking a chief palace guard where he's coming from. As what? No, like you're telling me now that you want to take over the position of the chief palace guard. I will finish you up.
Apologies, but...
But what? What do you want to but? Huh? Please, I don't just have your time. Allow me, I'm just coming back from a family meeting now. Let me go and eat lunch. Then if I now decided to have time for bloody civilian, I can come, we can discuss. Nonsense.
She has been asking of you.
And who the hell is she? What rubbish she? Is the she paying me? What stupid she is that? Can't I have rest in this palace? Every small thing the she will be disturbing. The stupid she, can't she respect herself? Nonsense.
It's the queen mother. You are here shouting. It's the queen mother. She has been asking of you.
And
when you get inside, you will see.
Queen mother? Why did you not tell me that it's the queen mother that is asking of me?
Must I tell you?
Shut up! So you don't know where to use she and her? Huh? Can't you just say Her Royal Majesty is asking of me and you just say she's asking of me and I'm here shouting? You can't even advise me to bring my voice down. Please, when she was asking of me, what was her reaction? Good evening, ma'am.
What is it? I'm supposed to be the chief palace guard.
Madam. Sorry. My prince. Your Royal Majesty. Do you know I'm even surprised that you still called me the chief guard? Since His Royal Majesty died, nobody has actually called me a chief palace guard again. Even ordinary palace maiden that I know how I spoke to your husband, my king, to help them get work in this palace. They were actually doing nothing. I begged because of the relationship I...
Shut up. I asked you to send for Sandra. You come here to tell me all this old wives' tale. Do I look as if I care?
Madam Sandra, she left very, very early in the morning. Even when I tried to ask her if I should follow her, she just ignored me and left.
You can go.
Leave. Okay. Your Majesty, please, Iwe, what would you like to drink? Because Prince Afam ordered me that I should take good care of you. Please, what would you like to drink? Orange. I can cut it, then add it up with watermelon. Garayara.
Get out! Get out!
Sandra. Why is your face like that? Why are you enjoying your drink?
Huh? I'm not come here to enjoy any drink. We are talking about my husband here. Something tells me that my husband has been charmed. I am telling you the truth. I can swear to it that my husband has been charmed into turning down the crown for his younger brother. And it's not funny. Yes!
Wait. Are you trying to tell me you no longer be queen?
May the gods forbid.
Forbid, though?
Me, Sandra Akajiofo, the first daughter of Odumi Woga. Who the hell says I will no longer be queen?
Okay.
But something tells me that Lizzie is part of this conspiracy.
And who is Lizzie?
James's wife. Oh, that woman is the most desperate woman I have seen on this earth. Yet she pretends as if she knows nothing about it.
My friend, just relax, okay? Okay, what do you plan on doing? Minding the fact that your husband has rejected the crown himself. So what do you want to do?
That is why I told you that my husband has been charmed. But I will not let that happen. I won't.
Sandra, you sounded like you're going to wear him the crown yourself.
Don't try me, oh. I can do anything. Huh. Joanne, I am not ready to let that crown go. I will not do that. I mean, I cannot give up. Not now. I can't.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold on so I can get you food. So
no, don't make things worse. You know you're a bad cook. I am fine with the drink.
Don't say that now. How can you say that? I know. It's fine. Enjoy your drink now. You're looking so stressed. Huh? My queen to be. My queen.
I don't joke with that thing.
I know.
I don't.
And if he wants Prince James to go ahead, I don't think there's a problem with that. If he gives him the permission, then let's accept it like that.
People will now start saying James took the throne from Ifeanyi. No. And what if in the future it brings problem between the both of them?
I don't think so, my love. I don't think so. My mom, she has been asking after you. She miss you.
I promised her I would come. Let me know when my help is needed. Trust me, once this whole issue is settled, you take me to her. I know. I miss you more. Trust me. Everything will be fine.
Yes, I know everything will be fine. That is why I don't want you to stress yourself. You're my queen, you're my happiness. Anytime you're happy, I am happy. But I miss you. I know what that means.
Yeah.
Just can't wait to, have you as a wife and let's start staying together forever. Yeah. So I will start doing it now.
Excellent. I was told by your guard, the chief guard, that you want to see me. That's why.
Oh yes, I do. Okay. Please, what can I offer you? I mean, something to drink.
In fact, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm just coming from a traditional marriage ceremony where we had so much to eat and drink. In fact, I'm full. I can't take anything now. So, but hope all is well.
Obviously, all is well.
Good.
I actually wanted you to do me a small favor.
Like?
How do I put this right now? Ichie, it's no longer in news that my brother-in-law wants my husband to take the crown. But I don't want him.
Why? What's your reason?
Very simple. I just don't want my husband to take the crown. Because him taking the crown is going to deprive us of a lot of things we do together. Like traveling, socializing with friends. And that I wouldn't want. Please, I need you elders to put more pressure on Prince Ifeanyi to take his crown. It's his right. It's not for my husband.
I've heard you. Well, but I must let you know that the dynasty belongs to the Akajiofos family since ages. That even we, the elders, we are confused ourselves. The issue, we do not understand what is going on. We have never had this kind of puzzle before in this kingdom. This is the first time. Though I know your husband might eventually become the king. If I may advise, my queen, whoever the gods chooses, he is destined to be. So let your husband's destiny speak for itself. Don't stop him. Unugo, don't stop him. I wish you the best.
Ichie, we all know you to be a very respectable man in this kingdom. A man who always stands for the truth. A very close confidant of the late king, my father-in-law. That is why I have come to see you. You see, Ichie, it is very, very wrong to take what rightfully belongs to a child and throw it to the dogs.
You're very correct. That's true.
My husband might not be in his right senses at the moment because so many business thoughts has affected his sense of reasoning. But all I want you to do is to talk to others. You don't have to listen to him. Just go ahead and crown him king. It is his right.
You see, but you cannot crown somebody against his wish. Come to think of it, your husband even do not want to be king of this kingdom.
But that is wrong, Ichie. It is his birthright. Okay, Ichie, let's not talk too much.
Okay.
I want you to have this. This is a sum of 500,000 naira for you.
Ha! All this for me?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I tell you something.
Okay.
There is more from where this came from. All I want you to do is to do the right thing. Be of a great help to my darling husband and I. And I promise you that you and your entire family will never lack.
In fact, with this one you've done, don't worry. I'm finishing everything. You know that's what I can do.
I trust you.
Don't forget it. With this one, I'll finish it.
I trust you.
Yes, I want you to be queen.
Thank you so much.
Ah, wonderful. Thanks.
Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Selfish desire. Don't live a selfish life. Don't say I didn't warn you. Makibankwa, vera go riri.
No one sees much of you these days. Nobody is well.
Haven't we been all busy trying to be the queen of our Nollywood kingdom? Haven't we? Excuse you. What do you mean? Exactly what you heard. Please.
Your ambition is too clear for everyone to see. No matter how hard you try to pretend with this chubby face of yours. Very clear.
Sandra, I'm beginning to understand where you're coming from. Oh, that is it. Listen, my darling. In case you care to know, I have no intention for the crown or becoming queen. Oh yes, I do not.
Oh, Marib. Oh.
But wait. Why is this so important to you? Didn't your husband say he didn't want the crown? Oh yes, I guess he knows what a tyrant queen you're going to be. Don't you dare!
Don't touch me!
Else we will slug it out here and down.
Lizzie, you know what? I will let this little threat of yours pass. But I need you to listen to me and listen real good. Your husband will never lead Amekulu kingdom. That will be over my dead body. Stupid. Rubbish.
Kedo kenye nozi nuno ewe mwa neriri sepake we no fe makiyo paka mado. Selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire, selfish desire.
You cannot possibly ask me to do that. For in truth, I know full well that some couple of persons in this palace have been pressurizing my husband to cede the crown to James. But I am sticking with him.
Sandra, you know quite well that your opinion does not count in this Amekulu kingdom. Therefore, don't cause trouble. Because I still value the peace and tranquility I enjoy in this palace.
Then advise your son. Advise James to stay away from the crown. Because you don't expect me to sit back and watch you people take what rightfully belongs to my husband. It will not happen.
Sandra, but nobody's pressurizing him to do anything.
But your body language says otherwise. Queen mother, it does. The truth is that my husband is going to be the king of this kingdom, and that's final.
Sandra! You cannot make decisions for my son. He is a full-fledged man who knows his left from his right. Therefore, he has the prerogative to either take the throne or cede it to his brother. Excuse me.